This is system test 9. We're going to be testing all of the zones, and we're going to be putting it into one of the walk tests. One of the walk tests. What one is it? Walk test.
Yeah, we'll use walk test B. So if you want to press the shift 4.
Alright, so this is already logged in, so I'm just going to go shift 4 and zone 1.
And then do shift 4 2 and shift 4 3 to get the other zones in as well.
Do I just do the whole lot?
Yep.
Alright.
4 isn't hooked up, so just do normal. That's all the zones.
So the actual zone 4 is not connected at all. Okay. First device, call point.
Yeah, call point by the door.
So here's the call point by the door.
Turn your key, that's it.
This is new. I don't have any gents at home. Oh, Jesus.
That's it.
Right, and just said that the cover's kind of broken on this, so I've got to. Right, I'm getting a bit of a hand from thingy.
Wait for it. There's some test mode, so it will stop by itself.
Okay.
Panel.
Panels beeping, and it'll reset itself. Okay, we're going downstairs. There's the sounder and the beacon right above the door. Here's the downstairs call point. It's sort of floating, and the sounder is sitting in there quite happily. So this one's going to be a bit of a pain, so if you could spare a hand. I'm really not used to this. Okay. There we are. Right, onto the smoke detector.
Yep.
Get your vaping pen ready.
Paused it. I'll cut it down.
No, just keep it going. I'll let you get up there. This is quite fiddly. You know, I have issues with this as well. I can't hold the camera straight while trying to set this thing off normally. There we go.
There we go.
Oh, it smells quite nice, that. What have you got in there?
I believe that's Red Bull flavor.
Doesn't smell like Red Bull, it smells like
Kind of
coconutty smell. Anyway.
And then what we'll do is you'll log back in.
Oh, is it logged back out again?
Yep.
Alright.
Do
Alright.
one. Do shift 5 1, shift 5 2, shift.
Oh yeah, forgot to do that. Shit.
Are you recording still? Is it stopped?
Yep.
Okay.
That's it.
And then what we'll do is we'll do a test in the actual fire emergency mode, like the regular, normal.
Do you want to do the honours?
Alright, bring it in close. Get ready to pan over to the phone or to Dinah.
Right, I get ready. We're waiting on the auto dialer, this little contraption here, to call thingy 1118's mobile. There we go. And should I reset that? Alright, you did it.
If that wasn't on vibrate, it does have a custom ringtone, but it was on vibrate, but that's fine. Around to this bit here and then.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, it's in fire mode.
Oh, odd. Anyway, that was system test 9. Thanks for watching.